calculated the bare minimum numbers you need to go full time as a streamer. Bare minimum numbers. I did the research for you. I did it. I did all the research. I pulled all the data. I did the work. So you guys don't have to. Just watch the video. I'll tell you. First of all, you got to be a Twitch affiliate. How do you become a Twitch affiliate? Got to have 25 followers, stream for 4 hours, stream on 4 different days, and reach 4 average viewers. Sorry, 3 average viewers. 4 is bonus. How do Twitch affiliates get paid? Ad read, subscriptions, bits, and donation. What are bits? Are like in-game currency, basically. What is the bare minimum average viewers? See, it's 50 CCV. And you're like, Alex, you're telling me right now. I know what you get with 50 concurrent viewers. You're not going to have blah, 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 blah. Bitch, I know. Let me tell you. How did I come up with the number? I researched this guy, Limitless Elvin, who did a whole bunch of stuff. Levin? I don't know. His shit's there. Ludwig and Sarby. Those 3 people all posted their numbers in detail with some research. And I just like compiled it for you there. Cost of living. This is in America. Per average. Per Google. Now, you're gonna be like, I don't need that much, or I need way more. Okay, motherfucker, extrapolate and figure it out. Apartment. Average 1 bedroom. 1 bath, $17.63. Utilities, about $120, $100 for water, $100 for internet, $300 for groceries per USDA. So the numbers can be off, they can be less, they can be more, but these are the average. The average. Walk with me here. Average. So $200, you need $3,200 a month, but you got to pay taxes, so you actually need $4,000. Okay, $4,000 a month to live as an American pre-tax. Okay, and that included health insurance because you should have health insurance. God damn it. How to make $4,000 a month as a small streamer. Sarby, he, for example, makes $900 a month from just streaming, averaging 65 viewers. I did 50. Why did I do 50? Because I could break it down. Watch. So 50 concurrent viewers at 80 hours a month. So you're streaming Monday through Friday or whatever have you, 5 days a week because it's your full-time job. 4 hours a day. The other 4 hours, I'm going to show you what you do with the other 4 hours. 4 hours a day. 180 from subs. So this is the low end. I went and did some research and I found what like the high and medium, whatever. I took the lowest end on everything. So you can always over exceed it. I don't want to like promise people the moon. I like to under promise, over deliver. So $60 from ads, $50 from bits, $100 from donos. And so total $390 just from streaming. So you're like, oh, I don't know, how am I, making $4,000 a month if that's only $390 and I still have $3,600 to go. Watch. You should be posting all the shit you're doing. So I took me, for example, with the shit I post, a lot of like high RPM stuff, like maybe you replace tech with finance, but for tech videos, for how-to videos, for gaming videos, for React videos, 10 highlight videos. Oh, and the averages, whatever, they're there. Ignore them. I don't know. I forgot to edit it. Highlight videos, 10 of those. So a highlight video is something that's like sick from your streams, but like not good enough to be a main video. So maybe like you're just chopping it up with your chat, and it's funny, and you can make a video out of it, but it's not like the video you were filming. And your VODs, you should put up 20 VODs a day, and they usually get about 500 views. So how do you make money on YouTube? Currently in the year of 2026, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs. In 2027, you got to have 8,000. So RPMs, educational, 10, tech, 12, React, 3, gaming, 3, VODs, 2, highlights, 3. And so the reason I say you should do some educational, some tech, is because of those numbers. Like you see, it's 4 times what the other shit is. So if your heart, like me, is in VODs, and it's in highlights, and it's in gaming, and it's the reaction, you want to see the react, that's cool. But you got to put out at least 8 educational, 8 tech videos a day, or a month, or finance, or something that's high value, something that has a high spend. You can go do your research, figure out what you know about. I know tech, I always say tech. How will these pay? So 4 tech videos a month, averaging 10K views at $12 is $120 per video, $480 per month. What's cool about tech videos is they're often evergreen. Like someone's going to need to know how to do something or want to look at a review. Those are kind of evergreen. For how-to videos, averaging 8K views is $10, is $80 per video, $320 a month. Again, an evergreen thing. So people are always going to search how to do this if you know how to do a clip, if you know how to do a certain thing. So your gaming videos, less evergreen. You can find ways to make them evergreen, but not really. So you're going to have, usually most people, if you are averaging 5,000 viewers, 50 viewers, I just put it bare minimum. Let's say you only have 1,000 subs. You only have 1,000 subs. for your YouTube. I would personally break these into multiple channels, but let's pretend you have the bare minimum to be monetized. This is it. So 1,000, make these all different channels. So that's React videos. So, you know, that's 2,006. So $24 a month. You're looking at $12. You're looking at $12 per month on your gaming. But what's cool is these stack. So remember, YouTube stacks. So people are going to be checking it out. So your highlight videos, $30. VODs, $20. So that's $886, $390. You're at $1684. You still got to come up with $2316. Short form. This is why this is important. First of all, short form pays less than long form. It pays less than long form, but it should be driving to your stream. It should be driving your sponsorships. It should be driving affiliate leads and log form. So your minimum views. So you should be getting around 2.5 your long form views for how to's and techs. So if you get $5,000 on a long form, you should be getting about 25K on the short form. If you get 5K or if you get 1,000 on the gaming reaction, you're getting 5,000 on the short form, and the RPMs are lower. So about $3 per short at these races, you should be seeing about, I don't know, like $200 a month, $240 a month if you're putting out 80. So that's four a day, 20 a week. Chop that up however you want. And then so that is 240 plus 1684. That's 1924. You still have $2,000 left. Where are we gonna get the other $2,000? I'm about to show you. So affiliate links, Amazon links, $500. Software supplements affiliate links, that's another $500. So let's say you have a GamerSupps or you have a NordVPN, whatever. You went and found yourself some fucking sponsorships and you have an affiliate link. TikTok Shop. Now, if you are posting all them damn videos on TikTok Shop and you're monetized, or on TikTok and you're monetized, you have access to TikTok Shop. When you're doing your short form reviews, just post the link to the review. You don't have to spam people, but if you're doing, oh, I bought this microphone and it's sick, here's the link, just throw it on there. Somebody will buy it. You don't have to make that your whole thing. I would probably do 1 or 2 a week. Like, it's not going to be, I wouldn't make it your main thing. Go make some money off of it. If you want to make it your main thing, who am I to stop you? I'm just saying it don't have to be the whole thing you do. Just make sure you do it. YouTube sponsorships. You should be able to pull $1,000 in YouTube sponsorships a month. You should also be able to pull $500 in short forms. So if all this shit hits in 1 month, that's $3,500 is your whole goal. I don't think all of it's going to hit in 1 month. That's not likely. That's not how that works. And that's okay. But like you have your levers you can pull and you know what you can do. So if you can't get a sponsorship 1 month, you got to post a bunch of TikTok Shop videos. If you have sponsorships, maybe you post less TikTok Shop videos. But now you're only $76 short. And I promised you 4K. Bonus money. So Spotify is a cool thing. It's a little bit harder to get monetized because you need 2,000 listening hours in 30 days. And you need a 1,000 individual listeners plus 3 episodes. But the RPM is typically double whatever YouTube pays. So at this amount, if you could put up 500 views a month, you'll get an extra minimum, $1,000 minimum. So Sarby, his video is all about how he made well over 6 figures, only averaging 65K. I promise you 4K. I promise you 4K a month. 4K is times 12. I don't know that answer, so we're going to do this right now. I should know that answer. It's probably like 72 or some shit. It is $48,000 a year. I promise you $48,000 a year. You do this shit, and then you hit your sponsorships, you're going to make 6 figures. Easy money because the current RPMs. But I promise you 4,000. This is the bare minimum you need to live. And that is everything you need to do to be a full-time streamer in under 10 minutes. I actually got you an 8, guys. Here we go.